Okay, just got in the car. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so bad. Welcome to Florida. Oh my gosh, that's gross. Okay, anyway, so I'm on my way to Disney Springs. Gonna meet up with a girl from my ward, and then we're gonna go to the boardwalk, and then I don't know, we might be going to the Poly to watch the fireworks. I'm not 100% on that yet, so yeah, we'll see. I probably won't talk a lot just because I don't really know her, so I don't want to be like, you know, first time meeting her and I'm vlogging the whole time, so I'll probably just take random videos. So yeah.
Oh my gosh, it just started. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. Happily ever after. Oh my gosh.
I'm taking a video. Wow, I look rough right now, but it's like 12:30 at night. Just got home. But so cool that I could just do that. Like literally last minute was finally got a hold of someone that would go with me from my ward. Total photo bombing, that's fine. But I just wanted to kind of wrap up, explain everything we did. So we went to the Polynesian to watch the fireworks, which was awesome. And then we got a pineapple, like a Dole Whip, but it was like mixed with vanilla soft serve. It's super good. It's kind of like a creamsicle. It's the best way I can describe it, but like with pineapple instead of orange. Which I feel like is kind of self-explanatory, but anyway, it was really good. And then we did some exploring in the Polynesian because neither one of us had ever been in. And then I did some pin trading. So fun. And then we didn't have to pay. The only thing we had to pay for was our Dole Whip, so it was really, really cool. I've just been thinking a lot about how much I really want to vlog. I was kind of thinking about it too, like during the fireworks. I just wanted to like be in the moment, like, oh my gosh, I'm here at Disney. Like, I can literally just come and watch the fireworks, and like thinking like when I finally get my annual pass, I can just go like on my days off. And I just really want to be in the moment. Like, I just really want to be in the moment, but I also want to capture the moment. So it's kind of that really hard balance right now that I'm kind of trying to figure out. So if my videos seem really all over the place, that's why. So I'm really sorry about that. I was really hoping I can make more, more high quality videos than this, but right now this is the best I can really do. Just a lot going on. But yeah, so we'll see. But just so excited. Stressful, but it's exciting all at the same time. So yeah, a little life update for you. But yeah, so that being said, I guess it's time to say goodnight.